All right, so here we are. If you remember on this one, it had a really wide frontage. It was a linear house. It was 2,800 square feet roughly. They converted the garage into an ADU, which is really nice. I'm gonna show that to you in a minute. But the house had a really wide frontage, which I really, really liked. Changed all the windows and doors, new stucco, new lighting, kept the original driveway. It always had beautiful landscaping. That was one of the things I liked about this, this approach. Love these beautiful pine trees, and then really great valley view from the front of the house. And then let's get back to the house. All right, so again, all new windows. There was a wall that was right there that they took down to just create an open space over there. They re-poured all the concrete over there, put in turf in the front yard, which I think looks amazing. Take a look at that little garden. It's really beautiful. Got a pine tree right there, all with a great view. And this is the view basically that you have through the living room. So I always loved this little spot here. I'd hang out here every morning and have coffee and just chill. And the street goes down, so you really don't even really see anybody. So love the front aesthetic. Changed out the front door. New front door, I can't remember, but I do believe these lights, window lights were there on the side. And if you remember, this is the biggest transformation of all, the staircase. I don't know if you remember, it's got that wood staircase that goes all the way across. I'm gonna show you that. Check out the floating staircase and the job they did there. Beautifully done. You got all this natural light flowing into the space, which is exactly what was needed to this home. And then over here, here's the original living room. They redid the fireplace, put in these beautiful, looks like 36 by 24 porcelain tiles, which are really lovely. Gives it a very clean feel. Retrofit LED lighting. Really did a nice job. Great view through the sliding door. Lots of glass to bring in the view, which is ideal. And then check out your fireplace. Really pretty. All right, and then if you remember over here, they had a little wall there that made a walkway, and then that powder room, I believe, was a little larger, so they made that smaller to create a more open space. And now you can see how it's open. You're good there. So dining room is right here, and then here's the kitchen. So there was a wall that went all the way across here. And so there was a small passageway into the breakfast area. If you remember, this was uppers and there was a little eat-in breakfast area over there. And then most of the kitchen was that way. So look at the transformation and how good of a job they did to create this open space. So this is where the original sink was. Did a beautiful job on the cabinetry and the finishes and the countertops. Quartz or porcelain, what is it? Quartz, yeah, a really nice, a high quality quartz that has really nice veining in it, which also creates a nice modern feel. Really pretty 6-burner range with a double oven and hood. Again, all with great views. So you're hanging out in the kitchen and you can even see snow-capped mountains out there in the distance. And you can see the $30 million house on in Royal Oaks. So this is the cool part here. This was the garage. So this literally was the garage door here, and they turned it into a complete ADU. So really nicely done. Thoughtfully done. This was originally done by the owner for himself. His mom was going to move in. They decided to change their minds, and now it's being offered for sale. But here's what's possible. Look at all the space here. This is probably 500 square feet of living space. Full kitchen, stove, that's where the dishwasher would go. Beautiful bathroom. Nice job with the design. I love these tiles. I'm gonna try and show you. These are like a distressed subway tile that just has like this nice little aesthetic to it. Really nicely done. All right, so here's the staircase. We're coming back into the, from the kitchen area. Here's the powder bath, which is beautifully done. It's got really nice porcelain tile floors, floating vanity. Did this kind of stone wall there that looks good. Love the mirror and the lighting, super cool. And this, if you remember, was like a closet as well. So they opened that up just to create it more light and energy. Nice gradual staircase here. I'm gonna finish taking you guys throughout the house and then to the outside. So this was my favorite part of the house here, this upstairs family room. I always thought this was super cool because what it did is it gave like a second living space. You got the formal area downstairs, and this is like where the kids could have their teen lounge, hang out, do their thing, and then the parents could be down hanging out and just have separate spaces. I'm a big fan, by the way, of separate living spaces, especially when you have older kids, just because it gives you like that flexibility of say, hey, go upstairs, give me my space, or you send one kid upstairs and the other one stays down. Maybe that's because I have an 11 and an 8-year-old right now. Anyway, so this window is new. Check out how beautiful that looks. So you're sitting here in the family room and you're just looking through these floor to ceiling windows to the Santa Susana Mountains and the valley. Really beautiful. And then flows through sliding doors to the outside and the pool. That was also replaced. Those were French doors. They did glass. Beautiful chandelier. Replaced this window here. This was always floor to ceiling if I can remember, but they changed it out with a brand new window system. Beautiful floors throughout as well. These are wide plank. I think they're engineered floors. Nice grain in them. So we had all the bedrooms on this side here. You can remember what they looked like before, but obviously they look much nicer and more modern with the newer windows and the retrofit lighting. And then here's the bathroom that services the two. This was a much bigger bathroom. I'm not sure if you guys remember it. I'll show you the video, but this bathroom was huge. And I believe they made this smaller. Basically, you had a giant bathroom here, a giant bathroom over there, and there was even a walk-in closet over there. So they extended that bedroom to make it a little bit bigger and put the walk-in closet between the two bathrooms and made the bathrooms a little bit smaller, which was smart. It always had the space. And they did a great job. And then here is bedroom number 2. And then here's the primary. So this was the walk-in closet right here. So they were able to keep the bedroom like a really nice size. Got 2 chairs there. Again, replaced the window to the outside. Also a great view of the San Fernando Valley in the distance. And then here's the walk-in closet. So this is the entrance to the primary here, and here's the walk-in closet. So they essentially moved it from this side to make this room bigger and put it over here. And they built it out, which is beautiful. It's got all the lighting. This is a really, really nice job. In a $3+ million house, you're definitely gonna wanna have a nice walk-in closet, and it has it. And then here's the primary bath. So beautiful frameless glass shower enclosure with this river rock floor, custom porcelain finishes. This is really, really nice. Like, I really like this finish. Did a really, really nice job. Has a very clean and modern feel to it. Did a good job with the vanity. And then it also has a soaking tub. So again, the space in the home was always there. It just shows you what's possible when somebody's got vision. Let's go outside. All right, so we're gonna take you guys outside, and we're back into the outside area here. They left the basketball hoop, which was pretty cool. Did a lot of work here to some of the outside parts of the home. This was always one of my favorite areas here. This this area, which they didn't fully remodel, but it's got so much possibility. It's got these beautiful palm trees. It's really private. You can't see the neighbor over there. You can't see the neighbor behind you. You're in complete privacy. So my vision was to like demo this all out and put like rocks and a pergola and have it be like a very natural, vibey kind of hangout spot. But what space you have there for entertaining family and friends. And then here's the original pool area here. Had a really large swimmer's pool, which is fantastic. Flows right off the family room there. Guys, this was fun for me. You know, in closing, I'd say, you know, if you've got a vision and the capital, you can create almost anything, as they did here. Give us a call sometimes, guys. If you have questions, if you want to get more information about the property, feel free to shoot us an email. Make sure you like and subscribe our content for more Sherman Oaks real estate. We appreciate your watching. Take care.